dark and smoky room with your face reflecting bright green.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today's video I'm going to show you how you can perfectly secure your lace front wig without using tape, glue, or without even sewing it down. The wig I'm using in this video is from Klaiyi. I've actually introduced this wig to you. I'll put the details for this wig in the description box down below so you can go check it out for yourself. So today I'm going to wear this cap. I told you I rarely wear it just because I'm not going to use the comb in the middle, and then also because my cornrows are just like messy. I have had these cornrows for like forever, and you can see it is still in good condition. You might see some glue there, but it's still in good condition. It was not shading at all. But then just don't style this hair when it's wet because it kind of shades. Don't do that. So this is how the wig looks on my head without gluing it down, without doing anything to it. The middle part of the lace front area is laid down so well, but then on the sides it's either I glue it or just tape it or sew it down. So in today's video I'm going to use a band just to lay the lace front area down and keep my wig secure. I'm using this elastic band. So what you're going to do the ear to ear measurement, and then you're going to sew it at the edge of the lace. And it's also good to measure the elastic band when you have the wig on so that you know exactly where you're supposed to cut. That's the right length I am going to cut. Once you cut the band, you're going to sew it inside the wig cap. Another thing you're supposed to check before cutting this band is the straps. Like you can see mine, the straps were in the third hole, and the reason why they are there is because in case the band becomes too tight, I can easily adjust it and put it in the first or in the second hole. And in case the band becomes too big, I can adjust the straps and put it in the fourth hole so that it fits so well.
With your face reflecting bright green, reds and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but I don't think that.
I turned my wig inside out, and then I'm going to sew the edge of the band to the edge of the lace front.
You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine.
And then don't sew it further from the hairline, because if you do that, you're still going to use glue or tape to secure your wig. The reason why you're sewing this band is so that you don't use glue. Just make sure you sew it on the edge of the lace front, and then make sure the stitches are tight so that it doesn't unravel. And so guys, like, this is the sure way to secure your wig without using any glue. It's actually the best method, especially if you're going maybe on a vacation. You know, you don't want to keep on applying glue, apply, and you're on vacation.
In the quiet, all my thoughts run free, so I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head.
Last time I didn't cut the baby hair, so I decided to cut the baby hair just to make it look, you know, more natural. And the baby hair were perfect, so I didn't have to reduce them anymore. I added curls to this hair, not because I wanted the curls, but just because I wanted the hair to be super full.
The back and forth has got me so messed up. Don't ignore the signs. We've had enough of the whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need to find a way.
And now it's time to try our wig. So you can see the left front area is laying down so flat, and someone might think you've used glue or tape, but it's just the band. So just make sure you cut the right size of the band so that you know it feels tight and secure without getting any headache. And so you can also see how full it is. I've just combed out the rolls because I just wanted the wig to look full, and you can see it's super full. I didn't want to wear this hair like this today because I'm actually going somewhere. So guys, you can see how full it is. So it's also, if you want your hair to be full, you can as well put a tie on it and just comb the curls out. You can as well hold this hair in a ponytail. And remember, we've not used any glue, we're not using any glue, any tape, but you can still wear this hair in a ponytail and then still make your baby hair. But guys, you can see, no one can even tell. I decided to braid the front part of it and just do the baby hair. On my previous video, I told you this hair was 20 inches instead of 26 inches. So the hair is 26 inches and it's from Klaiyi. I will link the details for this wig in the description box down below. If you're interested in this wig from Klaiyi, I will link it down in the description box down below so you can go check it out for yourselves. And so guys, if you learned something from this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. See you on my next video. Bye.